Hi, I'm Harish Hetchen. Today I'm going to talk about the top 4 ways to pivot and thrive during difficult times. Difficult times are now becoming more tougher and tougher, but how do you thrive and pivot few things and do well during these times, right? Just focus on these 4 steps and you will be able to do really well in whatever you're doing. Let us start off. First, start something. Do something which gives hope for doing new things. Don't sit on the situation and not do anything. You should do something which you are good at, or an alternate activity which can actually bring some hope for you. Gather right facts. Very important part in the first step itself. You should gather the right facts from the right source. Don't get carried away with fictitious information. Gather the right information from the right source. Very, very important. Coming to the second step, what you need to do, right? Invest in a new skill. Invest in educating yourself. Invest in getting yourself coached. Invest in your business and invest in yourself. It may be yoga, it can be meditation, it can be fitness, it can be nutrition or dieting or anything of that sort. Ensure that you invest your time and effort in yourself and make yourself stronger and stronger. What is the third step? Be connected. Be connected with the news updates on opportunities during this time. Be connected with the right positive people around. Shield yourself from the negative people and their negative thoughts. This is going to make you feel further worse during these situations. You get connected to the right people with positive attitude, which can actually help you sail you through the situation. Then be connected with inspirational and motivational videos. This is going to help you in a big way if you can get yourself connected to some of the inspirational, motivational stuff. Be connected with books. Read some good books which can actually give you a new direction, right? Okay, the final fourth way or a pivot that I am going to talk about is just to do it. Take action. It's a Nike project. What do we say as a Nike project? Just do it. What is that you need to do? Online is the future from now on. Don't hesitate in learning yourself how to operate online. Operate your skill, operate your work, operate your business online. Learn and start doing it. Rethink on your job or business. If it is safe, congratulations. But if you think that there is a threat, act now. Start working on it now. Third one, take first step towards your plan B. After doing all this, after going through several video messages, after learning so many inputs, if you don't take action, it's of no use. Ideas are free. Implementation is the key. All the best for you to sail you through this current situation and for all your success. This is Harish Hetchen from Success Formula 1.